Yo guys, I'm Toto. Today we are in Monza Pizza Bike Park and I'm gonna teach you how to do bike flip. Sorry, backflip. Bikeflip is the website to buy and sell bikes. Today I teach you how to do backflip.
I be laying on the beach getting laid, look away, I ain't never afraid. I get up in a ride and slide over the vibe and Rosarito, I know the key to surviving.
Backflip is the easiest rotation that you can learn on a bike. It's only scary, but now I'll teach you how to feel a bit less scary. First thing is to do a manual, and you need to over-rotate a manual. The timing on the backflip is the most important part, because if you pull too early, the backflip will not rotate. So the first time that you want to learn a backflip, you need an airbag, and you can almost land on your back, on your neck, safely. The movement is really simple, because you need to pull and to put your butt basically on the top of the back wheel. If you don't rotate enough the backflip, just call one of your buddy, put him into the front wheel and pull till you can lift up your front wheel. As I told you, the timing is the most important part during a backflip. You need to pull exactly when your front wheel is on the top of the kicker, or you will not rotate. If you pull the backflip the right time, the backflip will start spinning really fast, but if it doesn't spin, you just stuck yourself to spin faster in the air, while if you are spinning too fast, just stretch yourself and you will slow down the rotation. Another tip to mention is to keep your finger on the brake while you are rotating, because if you are over-rotating the backflip, you can brake and don't land on your back. So when you tried a lot of backflip in the airbag, you can now try on the mulch, on the dirt, and try to spot the landing with your head in the air and land the backflip. Now that you know how to do a backflip, you can take it to the next level.
Crib, get paid from the streams, daydreaming all day. I be chilling by the beach for the day in a fleece. It be cold and shade, opening beer bottles up on my teeth, but my girl be like,